Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Jen with Slingmods.com, and today we have our low profile passenger backrest pad for the Can-Am Spyder RT. If you own a 2020 or newer Can-Am Spyder RT Limited, your passenger has probably mentioned that the back seat is a little tight on space. This is a problem if you plan on doing extensive two-up riding. To address this issue, we now have a low-profile passenger backrest pad. This backrest pad enhances the riding experience with its remarkably slim profile in comparison to stock. The extra space provides your passenger with ample legroom without sacrificing comfort. It features integrated foam padding and is wrapped in a black marine vinyl to stand up to the elements. It also features platinum stitching to match the factory seats. The backrest pad installs in just a few minutes and is a direct replacement to the factory backrest. For those of you who have a Spyder RT equipped with factory heated seats, you'll be happy to know that the backrest is also available with an optional integrated heating pad. If you opt for that, your backrest will have a wiring harness coming out of the back side of it, along with a plug-and-play Y harness that allows you to integrate into the factory wiring, so that when you switch your seat heater on, your backrest will heat up as well. If you think your passenger would enjoy some extra legroom or some extra warmth on those cooler rides, head over to slingmods.com to make your passenger's day. And feel free to like and subscribe so you can keep seeing content just like this. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.